Hey 30-minute marketers, in today's video I'm going to show you the fastest way to start making money online as a beginner with no money. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, click on the link in the description below in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And today we're focused on getting started making money with no money. So the recommendation is to go to ClickBank. And the reason you go to ClickBank is there is a low barrier to entry to get started as an affiliate marketer. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the ClickBank affiliate marketplace and you're going to take a look at the categories. And we're going to use an example here. So let's say that you know something about computers and the internet and you've messed around a little bit with web design. So we're going to click on this website design category here. And we're going to look right here, and we're going to look at the first example, niche website templates. A professionally designed, unique website template package. It's ideal for sales pages, landing pages, squeeze pages. So you know and you understand how to build websites. So you take that knowledge and you're going to take this product and you're going to create content, useful content, real content that you develop around creating niche websites. Now, of course, if you don't know how to do this, then you might need to take some time and learn how to do it or pick another category. But back to this example, take this niche website template offer, apply to become an affiliate, and then go over to YouTube and do a search. How do I build a niche website? And you look right there, how to build a niche website. Then you simply search this and you start looking at these examples. You make your video better, easier to understand, more valuable. You make sure that people that are looking for how to build a niche website come to you as the authority. This is the fastest and the best way to get started when you have no money is to utilize the free traffic that YouTube is giving you simply for people searching how to build a niche website and you providing them high quality information, exactly how to do it, and linking to an offer like this one that pays you on average $71.90 a sale. Think about the things that you already know how to do. Think about the things you would like to learn how to do. Look through these categories on ClickBank. Come up with an idea for a product. Find a product that looks good. Make sure it is a good product. Then simply go to YouTube, do a search, as I did in this example, how to build a niche website, and start making videos about how to build a niche website and link to this product. Fastest, best way is to generate high quality content, solve a real problem for people that are looking for and need a real solution on YouTube, and you can do all that for free. Speaking of free, let me show you one thing that I'm going to give you, and if you check the description, step 1 is to watch this video, step 2 is to click on the link and go over to Taking Action Online, get this free YouTube training that you see right here. This is all you have to do is click on the link in the description and start learning by doing. Just watch this video. Philip Barrowman from Taking Action Online will tell you exactly what you're going to learn. He's going to explain what you need to record a video, how to rank a YouTube video, how to create and optimize your YouTube channel, how to do keyword research, analyze the competition, the do's and the don'ts when marketing on YouTube, ranking your video, making sure that you create your YouTube the correct way, and also how does YouTube fit into the bigger picture and using YouTube as a starting point, again, as the best and fastest way to start making money online with no investment. So make sure you click on that link in the description, head over to Taking Action Online, start this free training, and in the back of your mind, know that you're going to find a good offer on ClickBank. You're going to start making good videos on YouTube, and this is the fastest and the best way to get started online today. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check the link in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. And a 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like the video here on the end screen. Click on that, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.